Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll do the Antutu benchmark test on the Realme X2 Pro by using the Realme cooling clip. Yes friends, this is my first time doing this kind of Antutu benchmark test on this Realme X2 Pro device using this kind of cooling clip. Let's see whether using the Realme cooling clip can actually help the Antutu benchmark score and decrease the temperatures or not. So that's what I'm going to check in this entire video. So let's get started friends without wasting any time. So first let me do decrease the brightness slightly. I'll try to keep it to the 30% brightness, not much, because in the Realme X2 Pro it's really high. Every time the brightness is very high. If I try to keep it 50, that is the reason I'm trying to keep only at 30%. And let's open the Antutu benchmark test application, and before starting the test, let's check the temperatures. Right now it's of only 33, as you can see, 33 degrees, not much, it's pretty normal. And my room temperature 31, it's pretty okay. So before test, the temperature increased up to let me just show you, 34.8, as you can see, 34.8 and 34.3. These are the temperatures increased before. But now let's see, using this Realme cooling clip and cooling fan, let's see whether how much the temperatures can actually increase. That is what I'm going to check in this phone. I'll try to keep in this way. So maybe it should kind of be okay. I think so. The processor mostly will be present on the top side, so I can definitely bring till the camera part. I think this should be kind of okay. I think so. In this way, if you are trying to hold, I think it should be kind of good. So let me try to start the test, and right now the battery percentage is 45%. So I'm starting the test right now, Antutu benchmark test. Let's see friends how much the Antutu benchmark score we can actually expect. So how much difference we can actually see it. That is what I'm going to exactly do in this kind of test. And in case if you like my videos and if you want me to buy new phone, so make sure to donate some small amount of money to my number which is present here using the PhonePe and GPay and Paytm. That will be really great. So a lot of other subscribers I did are right now donating some money to me. So it doesn't matter friends how small amount it is, because right now I need to buy more and more phones. So that is the reason right now I thought of asking the help from the subscribers, so which is really great that a few of the subscribers, they moved forward and they are trying to help me. That's really thankful for them. I need to buy the OnePlus Nord 2 and Realme GT and a lot of other phones. So since I don't get any kind of review units in the install stage, that is the reason I'm asking the help. So once I start getting review units, then definitely friends I'll be planning to give the giveaway as well, because right now the money is not even sufficient for me to buy the smartphones. So whatever I'm reviewing, that is the reason. So again, I'll be back after some time of continuously doing the Antutu benchmark test, and meanwhile the Realme cooling clip is continuously running in the background. As you can see, it's running continuously in the background. This is a portion where it is. So again, I'll be back after some time. So then we can actually discuss the temperatures, how much it increased. So right now, as you can see friends, we're getting close to 50% exactly in the Antutu benchmark test, 50%, and still the cooling fan is going on the back side, as you can see here. Now let me try to exactly show you how much the temperature of the phone can be there during this time of using the cooling fan. So 37.4, 38 degrees, as you can see, 38 degrees. I'm getting 38 degrees on the front side, and on the back side 35. On 35 degrees, not bad, 35. So back side is completely close to 35, and the front side is of 37 degrees, 37 and 38, as you can see friends. So again, I'll be back exactly after close to getting 90%, then we'll be able to discuss the scores. As you can see friends, right now the test has been successfully completed, and the score we got about 5,58,000, as you can see. And the temperatures, as you can see friends, 38.2 degrees, not much, 38.2, and the temperatures are increased, I think, close to 36 degrees. It's slightly more than before, as you can see. Overall the temperatures on the back side as well, as you can see friends. But overall the score got slightly above, like 5,50,000 to 5,75,000 every time it will be there, but slightly it got a little bit kind of less, I think so. So let me check exactly under the position of this one how much the temperatures can it be there. 31 degrees side, 34 degrees, as you can see, 3 degrees difference is there between this position and other positions, as you can see exactly friends, 3 degrees difference. And on this Realme cooling fan, and we're getting about 24 degrees, 23, wow, 22 only. That's fantastic friends, as you can see, 22 degrees only I'm getting on this one. That's really cool using this kind of Realme cooling clip. So I'm going to be back with the next interesting concept on using this Realme cooling clip with other smartphones as well. I wish the Realme cooling clip had this kind of big space, so it could be really easy for a lot of other phones as well to cool it properly instead of small area. So I'm going to be back in the next video friends, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.